Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to block ads on Facebook. So if you're tired of seeing so many ads, I'm going to show you a few different ways you can stop seeing them. So the first way is from your home page on Facebook. So when you see an ad you don't like, so say it's this one, the cloud staffing ad, you can click on the three dots and click on hide ad. So that will mean you will never get shown that ad again. But it won't block all ads, it will just block you from seeing this particular ad. And the way to block ads is from your profile page. You're going to click on the picture, you're going to click on settings and privacy, and then settings. Then from there, we're going to go over to the left hand side to the account center section and click on see more in account center. From there, you can scroll down on the left hand side and you should see a section that says add preferences. So I'm going to click on there and you'll be shown this page. So this is where you can manage the different ads you see. So if you scroll down a little bit further, you should see a section that says add topics. So these are the different ad topics I'm being shown. So I can click on each one and I can click on see less. So I'll stop seeing those particular ads. So that will block those types of ads. But again, it won't block all ads on Facebook. If you want to block all ads on Facebook, you could use the Chrome extension like AdBlock. So all you need to do is search for AdBlock in Google, add it to Chrome, and it should start blocking the ads on Facebook for you. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.